Welcome to my video top 5 best professional multimeter in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best professional multimeter? If you received a new professional multimeter, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best professional multimeters on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences,
Link on the description.
reading reviews, and orders for both electrical experts and do-it-yourselfers.
Number 1. UNIT UT61B Plus Smart Professional Digital Multimeter. RMS Auto Range 6000 counts. DC-AC 1000 V. Meter back part. Super display. Link on the description. Number 2. ZT702S2 in 1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. Real-time sampling rate 48 ms/s. Super arrow key with 2.8-inch screen. Number 3. Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. Link on the description. 50 MHz wideband with 200 m 280 ms/s. Dual channel oscilloscope with 3.5-inch HD color screen. Number 4. Bai Professional Digital Multimeter ZT720S. 400 V peak voltage 10 MHz band with 48 ms/s rate. Automatic waveform reading. 20 mAh, 10A ceramic fuse effective burn prof. Number 5. Zoe ZT5566 Desktop Voice Multimeter. Digital Bluetooth 19999 counts True RMS auto range. 224.6 V current voltage. High frequency with audio voice. Subscribe and like this video.